Hi guys, okay, so I'm hopefully going to make this classwork stuff a little bit easier. I know that if you're on a device like an iPad, a lot of you have been really trying hard to do your classwork, but Google Slides on the iPad looks very different than it does on my Mac computer or on other people's computers. So you're looking at my iPad right now. I'm going to show you how to open up our Google Slide assignments, and I'm going to show you how you need to switch it over to Slides, the application, so that you can actually move pieces and type in the boxes that I put in each slide. Okay, so you're looking at my screen. I'm going to click on the button for Google Classroom. And then I'm going to go to our Classwork part of Google Classroom. I'll even start from the very beginning. So on this, I know it's hard. You can't see my fingers and where they're tapping, but if you have any questions, please make sure you reach out and ask me. So I'm going to go at the very bottom, click Classwork, and I'm going to then click on Math Classwork, which is underneath of Tuesday, and it has the ruler next to it. I try to put rulers next to all the math classworks. Then I know this looks a little different for me because I'm the actual teacher, but I'm going to go to the assignment and click on the slideshow. Okay, I cannot move anything in this format, and a lot of you are probably struggling with this. So this is what's going to help you. As this loads, you can see all the way at the very top. You can see at the top left an X. I don't want to press that. Then you see template, Monday, Tuesday, classwork, 5.nbt.1, place value. Then you see a page with a magnifying glass, and then you see a square that has an arrow pointing out. Underneath of my battery, up in my top where you can see my Wi-Fi, you can see my Do Not Disturb is on. I want to click the square with the arrow pointing out of it underneath of my battery percentage. I'm clicking that now. Now it's opening up Google Slides. Now I can edit the slides, which means you can click and drag the pieces where you need them to be. So before I couldn't move these guys at all, and now I can move them where I need them. So I can use this page over and over again to build numbers that are on this page. Well, not like that, but now I can actually manipulate this page, and then I could press undo. If I don't want this 9, I can get rid of it. And I can even click on these boxes now, move them back, move them where I want them to go. So if I need to use the cards from part B to show the value of the 5 in each number, the first number is 5,362. That 5 is worth, the value is 5,000. So I'm going to put 5,000 right here. And I would be able to do the rest as well. Okay, then we keep scrolling. And I can zoom out so that when Miss Evans puts directions on the sides, I'll be able to see them. So if you ever get a slideshow and it looks like this and you're like, okay, there are no directions, I can't see any, I don't know what to do. Try pinching and zooming out so that you can see the directions. If you still don't see any, click the 3 dots, again, up underneath the battery, click the 3 dots, try turning on speaker notes. Sometimes there are directions in the speaker notes. There aren't any right now, so I'm going to turn that off. I already showed you how to click and drag on these, so I'm going to keep scrolling. For these ones, and I already tested this earlier, you double tap inside, erase the number symbol. You don't need that in your answer. But let's see, the 8 and 843 represents, well, I already said it, 800. So I can type in the boxes now. I can also click the links and click and drag again. Let's see, for these ones I need, you can make copies. Oh, look, the directions say you can make copies of the 10 and 1/10. So I'm going to copy, click it again, paste, there we go. And move it over here. Excellent. Let's see if there's any other types. Nope, they're all the same ones, and it still has the directions. Okay, So this is how you can actually change the answers in your Google Slides. Please let me know if you have any other questions. I hope this helps you. And if it did help you, send me an email. Let me know.